Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. So this is now part 2 of the clamp guard video. So we've continued on watching Brian Glick's clamp guard DVD, and the second part is more so on recoveries and reactionary entries into the clamp. So as you can see from here, there's a clamp guard entry from half guard, and then now one of my favorites is like a clamp guard entry from body lock. All right, so go check out this instructional today. We spent a lot of time on it, and it was very fun learning all the skills and developing a clamp guard. Also, like, just in general, good principles on guard recovery. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you guys learned something.
I like to do this thing called a shin wizard. So this first wizard was like up here, right? Where you can either grab your own thigh or grab your shoulder. What I do is I drop down to my shin and like I turn my hip into you, and usually like, yeah, your hands are like this already. If not, like if you're above the knee, this still works to put pressure on the shoulder. If you can, slide, foot pressure, hip on.
Like that. Because now there's more pressure, right?
Yeah.
I don't know if it's doing it like that. Oh yeah, I got two. Or you can really do this one too. This one was good. So we're here all the time. Like this, like elevates. Just overhead tilt like that. So like that, like even here. Boom. Just enough now to with this top leg to push down. Yeah. This one was one of my favorite entries so far. And this one's really basic anyways, but if you want to initiate it from them, I push like just enough overhead. And now the top knee here, pushing down.
It's like Z guard-esque.
Yeah, like this.
Yeah.
So then you have like two options with it's basically flush. This whole DVD is really fun. But that's really like basics, right?
Keep it simple.
Yes. I've got my hand. Yeah, and if you can keep your top leg, he emphasized that a lot. And then you can switch it here. Top to bottom. Sometimes it's hard though, if you just eat it with your top leg anyways. That'll grab my leg.
What if I try 5?
Alright guys, if you guys enjoyed this video so far, please consider liking and subscribing. We have more instructionals to go through and share, and we would love to see you join us on that journey.
I make the overlap, I go here, I step, I see negation. What's gonna happen is he pulls his hands ready to go. This one I'll probably use a lot more than the other. This one will probably be pretty realistic.
This is the mid stage?
Yeah, so he connects his hands now. I overwrap one, I trap this one. I bring my foot here so I have more leverage to push, and as I go with this momentum, he bases out now. Or you could just get the sweep, but he bases. Then it gives the space that I need to put the knee in front. And you're gonna clap again. This is my favorite entry so far.
Okay, go again.
Or I'll show that one. Anytime you go first, and they base out, you have to move there. If it doesn't go that way, got your backside. You can't get this feet.
It's wild.
So you look always swimming. that variation anyways when they defend that.
Trying to get demons up out of me. Turn to a beast, eat your arteries. Just season the opponent so properly. Unleashing the thoughts of what got me. We gonna take this shit over. Foot on the gas, hit a motor. Switching my thoughts on my phone.
Then he's backstab.
Here's the do that one more time.
Here. Clamp, he goes the post. Oh. And then just put the top lock in. Okay. We'll try. Would you post this down from the inside?
How? Maybe from here, right?
Yeah, that would be more like.
I feel like you wouldn't like try to go like
From the outside, it's possible, Brian was still saying, but it's like he didn't really demonstrate it from the outside. I think it's too awkward. Like even if he was grabbing my leg here, like it's too forceful. It's not, you know. Or if he's here push from the outside, doesn't really do anything. So what they're gonna do is try to push from the inside. So when the arm goes, put your arm in now, like this. Yeah, and you start to push. As you see, it's easier to. That's what I think I'm figuring out.
Can we do the other arm? This one's kind of jacked.
Yeah.
This one's the clamp dog. 4 hours of clamp. Yeah.
So I post this.
Like on the inside, yeah.
I wouldn't do that.
You wouldn't though, right? Yeah, that doesn't seem.
I feel like why would you screw your arm all the way around trying to like?
Yeah, that's true.
You know what I mean?
Well, try to shimmy.
How would you post if you're trying to free this on? Like, how would you?
I would try to go from the outside.
It's still possible.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, we'll do it like that. Yeah, that's a better response.
You think it's forceful though? Why is it forceful?
No, I thought, well, because look, when you're on the outside here, it's like a lot more like movement required than if you were to push on the inside. Because he also showed when he was just trying to be there. When you're there, look how like, see how much easier it is? Like but it's not forceful then, it's just, we just need to recognize it.
Maybe I'm doing it wrong. Like when he puts his hand on the inside, how's he doing it?
I don't know. I think you just, or maybe you beat the knee. Like, I beat the knee, then I'm here. Because then it'll be a little easier. I'm thinking. But if I just push it off like a regular person, you'll clamp. Yeah. No, that's not really. Yeah, it's not.
That's legit.
Yeah.
No? What do you guys think about the top lock attacks? Let me know in the comment section.
Just that one top lock armbar that we've drilled for like years because that's like literally the only move that we do from that position is that top lock armbar into like spiderweb.
Yeah. Alright, so I've had some people ask, like, how long does it take to actually finish or complete a whole DVD? Well, I think in total, like, we were lucky enough to finish Brian Glicks DVD in about 16 hours. So we literally spent, like, I think 8 hours on one day and 4 hours on the 2 other days. It was a long weekend, so we had an extra day of drilling. But yeah, by the end of it, like, we were so like beat and like just tired of the clamp, to be honest. Now, did we retain everything and manage to hit it live? It's hard to say. I'd have to ask Ryan on his part on that. But for me, I was able to get in the clamp, I think 5 times during a few of my rolls, and I was actively like thinking about going into like the clamp position. So right now, like with the clamp in mind, like I can start to see it in a lot of my transitions and regard entries, but it's not really the be all end all, but I'm also kind of forcing it, I guess. So I'm going to play around more with the clamp guard in the future. I could see this starting to be a part of my staple, but obviously like it will probably take more time to drill to actually master. Here right now, we're doing the half butterfly guard, and I haven't completely finished that DVD yet, but there's some useful and interesting tips that we really wanted to drill immediately. The cool thing about a lot of these instructionals is that you'll see it, like, we'll see a really cool move and we'll want to like drill it immediately, just as it's like fresh in our mind, because I think there are some moves in some of the instructionals that we see but we kind of forget. But hopefully by the time my next video comes out, we'll be able to have that video to show you guys of us drilling the butterfly half guard, because there's a lot of cool content in there. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, and just remember, if you have time to kill, you have time to drill. Peace.